Hello students, this is Nilima. Welcome to NJ classes. From today, I am going to provide you free Vedic Maths course from basics to advanced Vedic Maths. So let's start with first session. Why should I learn Vedic Mathematics? The first benefit of learning Vedic Mathematics is faster calculations. Vedic mathematics is known for its powerful mental calculation techniques. Using its methods, you can solve problems orally or mentally. Speed up of arithmetic operations, making them ideal for competitive exams, mental math, and everyday calculations. The second benefit of learning Vedic mathematics is enhanced mental agility. Vedic methods emphasize mental calculation, improving your ability to think faster and solve problems mentally. Techniques like vertically and crosswise or digit sums improve your ability to solve problems mentally with minimal written work. The third benefits of learning Vedic maths is improved memory and focus. Vedic techniques use patterns, visualization, symmetry, strengthening memory and focus. Learning Vedic maths develops better memory, retention, pattern recognition, and concentration skills. The next benefit is simplified techniques. Unlike conventional math, Vedic methods often involve one line solutions that simplify complex problems. It often reduces complex calculation to simple mental steps. It provides clarity and accuracy. The next benefit of learning Vedic maths is it boosts your confidence in mathematics. Obviously, when your speed is more, you can calculate mentally, confidence will improve. The speed, simplicity, and accuracy of Vedic maths build confidence in students, especially those who struggle with traditional math. Mastering these fact techniques, Mastering these fast techniques helps overcome math anxiety and builds confidence. The next is versatility across subject. Vedic maths isn't limited to arithmetic. It extends to algebra, geometry, trigonometry and even calculus. This makes it versatile tool that enhance your problem solving skills in multiple areas of maths. The next one is stronger foundation for higher studies. Vedic maths improves core arithmetic skills. It improves your logical approach, core mathematics skills. It is beneficial for advanced studies in science, engineering and finance. It fosters number sense and fast calculations, promotes creativity and innovation. Unlike rigid textbook methods, Vedic mathematics encourage flexible problem solving. Most problems can be solved using multiple methods, giving students the freedom to explore creative strategies. Vedic method always allow multiple approaches to solving the same problem. It encourages creative thinking. The next one is time saving for exams, and this is very exam point of view important thing. As Vedic maths shortcut drastically reduce calculation time, making it invaluable for students preparing for competitive exams like GMAT, CAT, GRE, SAT, and many more. Faster calculation means more time for solving complex reasoning problems. The next one is cultural and historical value. Rooted in ancient Indian scriptures, Called the Vedas, Vedic mathematics connect learner to a rich intellectual tradition. It highlights the logical and philosophical depth of ancient Indian knowledge systems, showcasing mathematical insights long before modern methods were formalized. So, dear students and parents, by mastering Vedic mathematics, you can unlock faster, more efficient way to solve math problems, enhance mental agility and improve academic performance. Whether you are a student preparing for exam or someone looking for sharpen your mind, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell all icon for the notification of next Vedic mathematics video. Thank you.